Okay, we're getting ready to start. Okay, we're gonna put in a quick hitch. Picked one of these up on it from Amazon. It's a Typhon. Supposed to fit this. Comes with greasable pins. Let's see how it works. All right, we're gonna make a little noise. We got a couple of bolts to undo on this side. I didn't have the right size socket, but I'm using an 1 1/4 to take these big nuts off. I'm gonna screw the nut back on just a little bit. Give it a tap tap. One pin. Two pins. Just wipe that up, clean it up a little bit. As you can tell, I grease my machine religiously. Okay, let's see if we can get this quick coupler to go in. I'm gonna pre-grease it a little bit, the bolts. All right, so these use a keeper style, which I actually like a lot. So we'll use these to see if everything goes good. I'm gonna take this apart and get this ready. And also, on a bunch of stuff that I've read and seen, this side should go towards the machine. The adjustable side should go towards the away from the machine. We're gonna pre-lube the outer of this. Alright, so both pins are pre-lubed. Go ahead and get this thing set on. I'm going to make sure that our bolts will line up. Go ahead and put a bolt in just so that it doesn't turn while we're moving the other one. And then we'll get that other pin in. that's that. Now we'll get a wrench, tighten these up. I like to leave these where they have a little bit of play. As you guys can tell, I have this AGT mini excavator, plus I have a Kubota Agt Qh13R. I love both machines. They're both really nice. They just do things a little differently. All right. The reason why I like the bolts better than regular keepers is these rarely ever come out. For my BX, I have the BX expanded quick hitch, and it uses a quick pin to keep the bolt in, and sometimes that gets caught on dirt or rattles its way out. So let's see how this fits with the other bucket. Let's see if it'll fit without having to mess with it too much. Okay, that seems to be tight. Okay, so there's that little set screw right there. That's supposedly to stop this from spinning. Let's get an Allen wrench for that. On my model, it seems to be a 4mm Allen wrench. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Got a new quick coupler in on the machine now. Now I just got to get a couple other pins for my other attachments, and then I'll be good to go.